Hi there, and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial, where I'm going to be teaching you, yes you, Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to continue on our lesson of exponential functions, where we're looking at exercise number 3 that says, evaluate the function f of x is equal to negative 4 times 2 to the x when x equals negative 1, 0, and 3. So we're going to evaluate this function 3 different times, the first one being where x is equal to negative 1. So we're going to take this function, and wherever we see an x, we're going to substitute in a negative 1. So we're going to get negative 4 times 2 to the negative 1. So using our law of negative exponents that we learned in lesson 2 in this chapter, we could rearrange this negative exponent to be 1 over 2 to the positive 1. But again, 2 to the first power is just 2. So this is really just 1 over 2. And that's what our negative exponent rule says to do. So now we just have f of negative 1 is going to be, well, half of negative 4, which is negative 2. And just like that, we've evaluated the function for f of negative 1. Now we're going to take a look at f of 0. And we're going to do f of 0 is equal to negative 4 times 2 to the 0. And we should know from lesson 2 as well, when we looked at 0 exponents, that anything except for 0, when raised to the power 0, is equal to 1. So this is really just negative 4 times 1, and we know that negative 4 times 1 is, of course, negative 4. So f of 0 is equal to negative 4. Finally, we're going to have f of 3 over here, and that's going to be negative 4 times 2 to the third power. And we're going to simplify exponents first because the order of operations says to do exponents before multiplication. So we're going to do 2 to the third, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is going to give you a value of 8. And negative 4 times 8 is going to give you a value of negative 32. So f of 3 is going to be negative 32. And what this actually just did was it gave you an x and a y coordinate, negative 1, negative 2, 0, negative 4, and 3, negative 32. And based on these xy coordinates, we're going to be graphing what an exponential function looks like in the next exercise. So stay tuned, and if this video was helpful in evaluating a function to find the y values, or the f of x values for that matter, please give it a thumbs up. And go on to exercise number 4 now, where we're going to graph our first exponential function. Thank you for watching.